This is a 1956 Smith Corona Silent Super typewriter. It has been fully restored. It has a new platen installed, and it is ready to type. This beautiful beige or tan or light brown typewriter has been fully restored. It's in excellent near mint condition. Has a new platen installed. And a new ribbon, of course. Types really well, pica. The finish is in really good condition, except for a few blemishes. There's a couple little spots here on the lid. And the most noticeable blemish on it is right here near the right platen knob. The back has some scuffs on it. But overall, it looks really nice. I love that beige color. This typewriter also comes with a reprinted user's manual, as well as the original case, which is in nice condition. It does have some scuffs and marks on it, but it looks really good overall. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. I do not have a key. That's for the 1956 Smith Corona Silent Super.